So let's talk about Zbcn. What's going on with the price action? Because there is some news, but when you look at the price, it's not really reflecting. Now, in this video, I'm going to go over the news. I'm going to pull up the charts and give you guys my opinion on what's happening and where could the price of Zbcn potentially go in the short term. And also, I'm going to talk about XLM and whether or not I believe Zbcn even have a chance of reaching the market cap of where XLM is. Now, remember, nothing in this video is financial advice, but if you guys do enjoy today's content, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. And by the way, if you're looking for a great crypto exchange, make sure you check out my link to BTCC. You get 10% bonus on first time deposits, extra bonuses up to $10,000. It requires no VPN and no KYC. The link will be in my description down below. But getting right into the video now. So if we take a look at the price here on Zbcn, we're sitting at 0009524, right? With a market cap of 72 million. It's not looking all that great. I mean, if you go all the way out here on the charts, we're actually down 61%. Ever since this thing came onto the scene, it's only gone down. Now, it traded sideways for an extended period of time, but it's pretty much only gone down. Now, I'm going to get into the charts a little bit deeper a little bit later on. But if we come down here, we can see that it's still not listed on Coinbase or Binance, and those are two very big exchanges that it needs to get listed on if we want to see some upwards momentum. Now, there's a lot still going on for this project, so even though it still doesn't have that Binance and Coinbase listing, it could still make a run, but the market is going to have to recover. If the market doesn't recover anytime soon, then we're probably going to continue to trade sideways, right? Now, if we actually pull this up, so let me pull up the charts here. We are currently in this bearish momentum. It's been fired quite a few times, actually. The last one that was fired was on March 25th, so not all that long ago, right? And we've just been bottoming out somewhere around here, around point, what is that, 00093. If we zoom all the way out, though, this is a 4-hour time frame. Let's change this to the daily time frame for a second. I want you guys to take a look at this. So ever since coming onto the scene, it made that initial pop up like what most coins do, came crashing down, made another pop up, made a higher high, and it's just been disastrous ever since. Not that long ago, it did go on a pretty decent run right here at the beginning of February. It made a pretty decent run from, what is this, triple zero point 00076 all the way up to 0021. But ever since that, the market has been coming down, and Zbcn has followed alongside with the market. Now, by the way, if you are looking for an indicator like this, which lets you know when it's a good time to buy and sell crypto, also lets you know when there's a bearish and bullish momentum happening, the link to this trade assist is going to be in my description down below. But if we take a closer look here at the charts, what we see is that where the price is at, it's actually not that far from its August lows. Let's see, if we go all the way back, December 2024, it bottomed out at 00078. If we go even further back here, around, yeah, the August lows, 00074. Or 7.1 actually was the August lows of 2024. So it's not back to its August lows of 2024. Now, I like to look at the August lows of 2024 because that's when a lot of altcoins really tanked, because there was like the whole war scare. So I like to look at this area as a pretty good indication of where the potential floor is for a lot of these coins. It doesn't mean it's going to bounce off of here, because I have seen a couple coins, not a lot of them, but a couple coins have broken through this August 2024 lows. But looking at Zbcn, it hasn't broken through that low yet, so that's actually a pretty good, that's a positive sign, I think, anyways. Now, where can we go? Where can we actually fall? Well, there is a chance we could retest this 00077 area, which we saw at the end of January. 1000%, that is on the table if the markets continue to tank. And with everything going on with the tariffs, we could see a little bit more of a downside pressure on a lot of these altcoins. So if you are looking to continue to add to your position in this, I would definitely look to get in more so towards a 00077 area. If you're looking to add to your position there, right? Now, if we compare it to something like Stellar, so XLM here, This is up massively. Obviously, you go all the way out, it's up over 8,000%, but this coin has been around since the beginning of time, all the way back in August, like 20. This thing has been around since 2014. So coins like this, it's very hard to really compete with because it's already developed such a strong community. Like you go over to their X account and they've got what? 824,000 followers here. Community is extremely massive. So comparing any coin to a project that's been around for a lifetime is extremely difficult. The most that you can do at these points is hope that it gets to even half of the market cap of a comparable coin. That's what most investors should be looking towards, not hoping that the coin is necessarily going to surpass its competitor's market cap, but at least reach towards the half of the market cap of the competitors like XLM here, right? I definitely think if the bull market continues and we get a Binance and Coinbase listing, then yes, I do think that Zebec or Zebec, however you pronounce it, could actually end up reaching at least half of XLM's market cap. That's what I think anyways, right? If we take a look here at the Twitter account for Zebec, we can see that's got 255,000 followers. So that's a little bit less than half of the followers for XLM there, which isn't all that bad. But let's get into some news. All right. So first of all, take a look at this for anyone that's unfamiliar or is not aware of this yet. Most of you, if you've been following other channels that covers Zbcn, you probably already know this. So they've introduced the Zebec Carbon, the world's first reloadable zero fee and fully private crypto debit card. Reloadable for up to $10,000 of daily spend. Ready in seconds, zero fees, 1 USDC equals $1 USD, 100% private, powered globally by MasterCard. So that's some pretty bullish news. That could be the news that they were talking about a couple weeks ago when they said some news was going to drop, and I was waiting patiently and I was just like, okay, where is the news though? Like there is no actual news. But yes, this could be the news, which is pretty big. And then another thing here, which they actually uploaded a few hours ago, the buyback update. So they said our recurrent buyback for February 2025 is 50 million Zbcn valued at approximately $50,000. 100% of Zebec card revenue goes to buybacks. The transaction will reflect on chain in the next few days. So that's definitely great to see. This project is up to things and it's very promising. Very, very promising. So if you're holding Zebec, let me know in the comments section down below. What do you guys actually think of this project? I'm very curious. And are you planning to hold this thing for the long term? I'm very curious about that. So let me know in the comments section. Also, where do you expect this price to go? Because I feel like anytime you're getting into coins that have a very small market cap, because this is 71 million, like that's pretty small. When you're talking about coins that's under $1 billion market cap, we're actually looking at like really high risk sorts of projects, but all coins have to start from somewhere, right? Every coin started around a very low market cap at one point, and after they've proven themselves, they skyrocketed and there was just no looking back there. So this coin has a very small market cap. Where do you think the price of this thing is going to go in terms of market cap? How high do you think Zebec is going to go? Do you think it's going to pass the market cap of Stellar, or do you think it's going to at least make half of the market cap of Stellar? Let me know in the comments section down below. But yeah, it's the price action actually isn't looking all that bad. It's kind of trading sideways, which is pretty good because sideways movement is a lot better than the price going down. That is 1000% for sure, right? Now it could fall a little bit further, but it looks like for the most part, it's somewhat near its bottom, but we'll have to wait and see how this whole tariffs thing plays out. Because if Bitcoin drops to like, I don't know, something crazy, which I don't think it's going to happen, like 50K, then it's going to be a complete nightmare for most altcoins. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Check out a few of the links that I have down below. And until next time, take care.